A few simple changes to your digital setup can be all it takes to make the difference between staying secure online or being a victim of cybercrime. In the final part of this mini-series on internet security for everyone, we'll put together everything we've discussed in the previous videos to provide you with a step-by-step guide to being safer online starting today. If you've missed the previous videos in this series, please pause here and go back to watch parts 1 to 3 now before moving forward. Now that we know why we should take these steps, let's get started. Step 1. Configure good security on your master account. This means choosing a memorable password for your master account by using the 3 random words principle. Log into your master account provider, whether that's Gmail, iCloud, Live or any other, and go to the settings page and find the change password section. From there, confirm your identity if required, and then pick a new password from 3 words that mean something to you. Save your new password and then find the section where you can configure multi-factor authentication. This may be labelled as 2-factor authentication or something similar, like additional authentication checks. Your options will probably be text messages, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, and possibly other options that are a bit more advanced, like Windows Hello or hardware security tokens. Authenticator app is a good choice for most people, being easy to set up and readily available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the MFA setup based on your master account provider's registration process. We're now ready to move to Step 2. Step 2. Log into your master account on the browser of each of your devices and enable sync. This will depend on the device you're using and your favourite browser, but most modern browsers will offer you the ability to log into the web browser for additional features. Log in using your master account credentials and then select Enable Sync. This will allow the configuration of the browser to be shared between your devices and is essential for making use of strong passwords easier. Once logged in, go to the browser's menu and look for the Password Manager. If you click into the Password Manager, it will now show you every website and app password registration that your master account knows about. Don't worry if this section is empty right now. We'll be adding all of our new account passwords in here automatically from now on. Step 3. Register for a new email address. This is an optional step, but is strongly recommended in order to help keep your master account safer. Navigate to any free email provider like Gmail, Hotmail or any other reputable email provider and register for a new account. Even if your master account is from the same provider, it's still a good move to create a new account just for email purposes. Make the email address a good one for you, as this will now be the email address you should use every day for email purposes. When registering, the provider will ask you to pick a password. Click into the password box and your browser will now offer you a suggested strong password. Accept the password it suggests. It will be a complex password that will be hard for hackers to guess, and the browser will automatically store this password into the new password store. Now you can complete the registration process. We've now completed the 3 simple steps to being safer online. When you visit websites in the future, remember to use the same process of allowing the web browser to suggest a strong password for you and allowing the browser to remember the login details. This will make sure that each account you create online will have a different password, so hackers will have a harder time getting to your information. When you revisit these websites, your browser will automatically complete the login details for you, so you'll never have to try to remember these complex passwords. This brings us to the end of this series on internet security for everyone. I hope you found it useful and you are able to follow along. Please remember to like these videos and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when we release more videos in the future. Feel free to post comments in the comment section below, and I hope to see you again in the next information series, which should be coming along shortly.